Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these circle window clings. These will be very helpful to save birds from window collisions, Sometimes we have our curtains open and nothing it is reflected on the window and the birds get stamped on it and it's very sad to hear them crash. Okay, so this one will help with that. If you have a lot of birds around and they are coming to your window and they just cannot recognize that your window is there, these will be very helpful for them so they cannot crash on your window. The first thing that you need to do is, of course, clean your window, and these circles will need a little bit of humidity so they can actually stick on your window. Okay, they don't have a glue, they just can stick with a little bit of humidity. And they're made of plastic and they come in 3 different sheets, and they come in different sizes. So there's like a card that you can use to remove any other bubbles that can be made when you put them on your window. And we are using a few of them so you can see the different sizes. And we got sent out these ones for review, and I'm really glad we did because we had some bird crashes here on our window. So this is how we are putting them. As you can see, there are different sizes right here, and this is how it looks. They look really nice. Actually, we were kind of surprised because they actually can help like a little bit with decoration because they emit a little bit of rays from the sunlight, and I'm gonna show you that at the end of the video. But once that you clean your window, you can just pass your cloth on the window so you can see. So here is how they look like they look like sparkling diamonds, and this way the birds won't be crashing anymore on your window. Okay, so we are installing here a little bit more of them, and you can actually reuse them. And if you don't want them anymore in this window, you can just remove them and put them in another window. Or if you're gonna move them home, you can just take them out and put them in another place, and they will still work. So you can just replace each of them, and which is cool because they don't need any glue, they won't damage your window, and you just can put it on or take it off whenever you need them. And it comes in a sheet of 3 sheets of these, so you have a lot of them to use. This is the light effect that they have when they are installed.